Today we introduce a 5-axis simultaneously Mega 30 VT machine with 24,000 RPM spindle, 60 tools magazine, Renishaw skills and encoders, a top performance machine. Hello everyone, I'm Orion.
I'm Paul, and we are from Microdynamics.
Today we are in the factory. We are going to show the model Mega 30 VT with the Tronion Sable, but the unit that we are building now in factory has some special features.
One of them is 24K RPM HSK spindle. We also have 60 tool magazine, liner scales, rotary scales from Renishaw, and 5-axis simultaneously control from Mitsubishi.
On top of this, there are also even some other functions. So let's see all the features. Let's review exactly this unit that we built for this special kit. Omega Terra series standard, it's 15-inch touch screen monitor.
Yes, but this one is 19 inches touchscreen monitor, as you can see.
The rest of the panel is the same, okay, with our front USB and our tilting and shivering panel. The standard spindle in Microdynamics machines is 15,000 RPM double contact DVT 40 or CAT 40. But in this case, we have a different spindle.
And this one is HSK 63A with 24,000 RPM spindle.
As everybody knows, one of the main features for Microdynamics machines is the type thermal compensation. Type thermal compensation is standard in all machines, but this unit, we also add something more for have a better accuracy, right?
Yes, in this machine, we have linear scales in XYZ axis and encoders, rotary encoders in A and C axis.
The scales and encoders we use in Microdynamics machine are from Renishaw. For this model, as we showed during Tinto's Taipei exhibition, we had one Microdynamics machine on their booth showing this performance cooperation with Renishaw. For easier and faster setup of the machine, we also added some other Renishaw equipment.
First of them is Renishaw OMP400 to easier set up the workpiece. The second is NC4 to faster measure the tools or check if they are broken. And for this, you need a receiver that is sitting right there. This Datum gear is included with Renishaw package just to help us find the center of rotation of our Tronion table with a little bit of help of our OMP400.
In this Tronion table, we also added one more feature.
And it's to help automate the process. It's the pneumatic fixture clamping.
Omega Terra series standard is 40 tools in the tool magazine. Only Mega 30V is 30 tools. All the red 40 tools, but we have optional also 60 tools, 90 tools, or 120 tools. What do we have here, Paul?
Here we have 60 tools with fast tool change. Let's see how the fast is our tool change.
Chip conveyor is standard in all Microdynamics machines, and we use scrape type chip conveyor, reversible. It can go to the right of the machine or the left of the machine. But in this case, we are using a different chip conveyor, right?
Yes, this one by request of our customer, because he had different type of chip, he is using a chain type chip conveyor.
For finish today, all VT series in Microdynamics are 4+1, but this special case, it's 5-axis simultaneously, and this is one of the nice things for our machine, that it's so easy to upgrade to 5-axis simultaneously, right?
Yes, you only need to change the controller in the electrical cabinet and you can have 5 axes simultaneously.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. We hope you enjoy and you like, and you can follow us for learn more about all microdynamics.